Guys, one more time. This is the line right here.
Can we go now?
Huh?
Can we go now?
Go where?
To this place.
So hold on a second. So what's the verdict?
I think I beat you.
Both
By 2 yards or 3 yards, right?
No,
I could have gone faster. I was just scared.
Okay, let's do one faster. Come on, guys.
the first version accelerates faster, but the second version catches up. That's
you
it.
gotta get used to the throttle. Let me get
Okay, let's do one more time. Come on, guys.
You have to.
One second, go.
Go full all the way. You don't slow.
full all the way.
Yeah. So as soon as I say go, you do it. That's unsafe. Well, that's
Dude!
Because he's not used to the
Hold it.
boosted board, dude.
Oh, is it ready?
You're recording right now. Okay.
Okay. Hold on a second.
So on go. Not before. Okay. Hold the trigger right now. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, he's faster with the V2.
Don't go through the front.
Yeah, the V2 is faster actually in acceleration.
We knew that. We're just testing.
Can we go now?
I mean, you have to go.